We're getting in breaking news right now. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister has said that Jayaraj and Benix's custodial death case will be transferred to the Central Bureau of Investigation after court permission comes in. He's also alleged the custodial murder case would be transferred to CBI post obtaining the permission from the court. This after the deceased father had basically raised this entire matter, that this was the very fact that the custodial deaths took place, and this entire matter perhaps cannot be probed by Tamil Nadu police itself. Not just that, also opposition leader, we given to understand, had said that a CBI probe should take place. Let me go across to my colleague Sanjeevi, who's joining me on the phone line. Sanjeevi, opposition parties, MK Stalin had also demanded that a CBI probe should take place. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister now declaring that once the court grants permission, the case would be handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation.
Well, exactly. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy, who spoke at the Salem district sometime back, just said that the case of the Thoothukudi custodial death will be transferred to CBI after informing the Madras High Court of Madurai bench during the next hearing. So the next hearing is going to happen on 30th of this month. In fact, the Madras High Court is directly observing this matter, and a magistrate of the Kovilpatti area is inquiring this matter, and Madras High Court has also sought a report from the magistrate on 30th of this month, and at the same time, the post-mortem report should also be submitted in a closed cover, is what the Madras High Court has also ordered. So at this point of time, the Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy had informed media that the case will be transferred to CBI after informing the Madras High Court. As you mentioned, the opposition leader MK Stalin was also warning that the case will be transferred to CBI. The DMK will approach the court and seek for a CBI inquiry if the investigation doesn't happen in the right manner. So, just before the opposition party going to the court, the Chief Minister himself had said the Tamil Nadu government has decided to transfer this case to the CBI, and it will be informed to the Madras High Court during the next hearing.
Sanjeevi, also if you could take our viewers through, as far as the investigation on the ground is concerned, we're given to understand a local police officer has already been suspended. What else can you tell our viewers with regards to the investigation that has been carried out so far?
Well, initially 2 sub-inspectors of the station, of the Sathankulam station, were suspended, and after that 2 constables were suspended, and the inspector of the Sathankulam was actually put on the wait list, and later was transferred to a different unit of the Tamil Nadu police itself. So after the Madras High Court intervention, the inspector of the station is also been transferred by the DAG of the zone. So as far as the investigation is concerned, the magistrate of the Kovilpatti area is being, visiting to the jail and also has sought the records from the jail authorities, and also went to the police station today, and will also meet the family in next couple of days before 30th is what we have been told by the sources right now. So apart from that, the Madras High Court has also ordered to re-postmortem the dead bodies of both Jayaraj and also Benix, and government doctors should do and before a magistrate, and the whole sequence of post-mortem autopsy should be taped, is what the Madras High Court has also ordered. So this is the development in the latest development in the total case. But no action has been initiated except for suspension of the 5 police personnel who were involved in this matter allegedly. But the family and also opposition parties wanted them to be booked under the murder case, and that is the demand which is coming in from the family and also many human rights activists.
Right. Well, thank you very much, Sanjeevi, for getting us the latest. There has been a nationwide outrage demanding that a Central Bureau of Investigation probe should take place. Finally, the Chief Minister giving in, saying that once the court permission comes in, the case would be handed over to the CBI.